we were talking about excuse me, I want a beer please. I want a beer please. Perdone, quiero una cerveza por favor. Perdone, quiero una cerveza por favor. Excuse me, I want a beer please. Now, excuse me, I want a water and a beer please. Excuse me, I want a water and a beer please. Perdone, quiero un agua y una cerveza por favor. Perdone, quiero un agua y una cerveza por favor. Now let's move on. I hope you understand that. Do you remember how to say I am? I am. From previous lectures, if you remember, I am is yo soy or usually simply soy. So, how would one say I am bad? I am bad. Not me, I am teaching you. I am bad means soy malo in Spanish. Now, the point to understand is if a girl or woman is saying is I am bad, if a girl or woman is saying that, so they won't use the word malo, they will use mala. As the adjective is feminine, they will say mala, not malo. Okay? So how would a girl say I am bad? I am bad. A feminine is saying that. Soy mala. Correct. Soy mala. How would a man say, do you remember, I am good? Do you remember? Soy bueno. Soy bueno. How would a man say, I am very bad? Soy muy malo. Soy muy malo. I hope you understand that.